When I left school in the late 1990s, I always considered myself lucky. I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to be a photographer. I didn't really know how to do this, but I knew that's what I wanted to do. A friend of mine's brother told me about the one-year course in Sallynoggin, so I signed up straight away. And for me, that was the beginning of everything I am now and everything I've achieved to this point. Sallynoggin's photography course is one of the single founding institutions of photography in Ireland. And there's two main reasons for this: Christine Redmond and Joe Sterling. Chris and Joe have single-handedly nurtured a whole generation of Irish photographers whose work is still celebrated today and continues to be across the world. Some of the biggest names in Irish photography have come through the doors of Sallynoggin. Not only did Sallynoggin play an important part in my life and my education, but it continues to underpin everything that I do today. I'm humbled of everything we've all achieved from Sallynoggin, and I'm proud to be a part of it.